Today, this unfortunate time of global crisis of coronavirus and COVID-19 disease, about which very little is understood about the virus and the disease. But by the grace of God, we are united as far as humanity, our human touch is concerned, and the Asian community, under the leadership of Hindu Council and so many other communities, we have united to help, to assist, by the grace of God, whatever possible, to the less fortunate and humble people, background people, in such a way so that this crisis we can overcome without any hunger and other challenges. Now, however, our Africans, our people of Kenya, they are really appreciating the good work our people from the community are doing. And I think the real practice of religion, whatever, where you are, maybe Hindu, maybe Christian, maybe Buddha, Muslim, whatever religion or Sikh, religion we are, all religion preaches that God is good and to help the people is godly gesture. And more we give, more we get. So today, whoever has that good heart and great gesture, so that we can contribute to this big human cause, so that it will, in years to come, history to be in the written that coronavirus battle against the global battle, the war against the virus, we overcome with His blessings, and we are together at this time. Thank you very much.
Today, 16th of May 2020. My name is Honorable Jayendra Malde, MCA for Parkland High Ridge Ward and National Vice Chairman for Hindu Council of Kenya. Every Saturday we are donating from Hindu Council of Kenya to the less fortunate, to the elderly homes, to orphan homes and to the disabled homes. And today we are fortunate that we have our MP from Kasese, Honorable Dr. Mishra, for the event of Hindu Council of Kenya. So we really thank him for his precious time that he is at the Hindu Council headquarters and witnessing the donations we are giving to the less fortunate. This is not the time of talking. COVID-19, nobody thought in the world that we will be fighting COVID-19. But it is reality. And as a humanity, we should all come together. Our Kenyan brothers and sisters are really suffering, not because of COVID-19, but because of hunger. So that is the reason Hindu Council of Kenya came on the forefront, as always they do, to distribute the dry rations to everywhere, all the 47 counties. And we save our humanity, we save our Kenyan brothers and sisters by giving some rations and be generous. And my appeal to everybody, let us all come together and whatever we can. We are not saying we cannot donate even 5 shilling. Whatever you can, from 5 shilling to million or 2 million or 5 million, whatever you can, let us all come together, let us be united and let us save our Kenyan brothers and sisters and let us save our economy. You see, once we save the humanity, we will save our economy. So that is the message we want to give to each and every Kenyans. Whatever they can do, please do. Please help your neighbors, please help your families and extend whoever it is. And this is the time we should come out and donate whatever we can. We are appealing to all the religious temples, all the imams, all the church leaders and all the donors, all the corporates. Let us unite and feed our Kenyan brothers and sisters. Thank you very much. God bless our great country, Kenya. and God bless our brothers and sisters. Asanteni sana.
I wish to welcome our chief guest for this particular event, none other than Honorable Dr. Swarup Mishra, who is the Member of Parliament and also having several big hats in the government, and we are proud of him. A round of applause and please welcome every one of you. As I mentioned, we are proud of you, Dr. Mishra, because here in our Karm Bhumi, which is our own country, Kenya, he really significantly impacted with his great work, what he has done, and at the same time, which is what is service activity. We always say that as an Hindu community, we always keep ourselves forward to support, to extend our helping hand, and we always wish that this is the remarkable journey what he has taken so far in Kenya and impacted to the people, those are really in need. We applaud his achievement and we feel proud as an Dr. Mishra coming from our own community as an Hindu. So once again, a round of applause for him being available and being accessible to the community and appreciating the efforts what Hindu community and Hindu Council is doing. It's very important that I should also appreciate the presence of various leaders of Hindu community. Those are here from different institutions, whether it is Bengali Samaj, whether it is HSS, whether it is SSD, whether it is South Indian Cultural Association and all. So we are all proud of our associations, our member institution, because Hindu community is always been in forefront for service to the humanity and fight against COVID-19. So Dr. Mishra, this is very important for me to tell you that Hindu Council is spread all over the country and all my 5 branches in the country are playing very significant role in this pandemic, because this is the time when we have to step up and we have to play our important role as a community to help others and help humanity to fight against COVID-19. I also appreciate the presence of our own Jayendra Bhai, who is Vice Chairman of Hindu Council, but at the same time, he is also MCA for Parkland region. And all of you, as I mentioned initially, that without your support, without your engagement, without your participation, Hindu Council would never be anything. Because as a role Hindu Council got, as a role, as a responsibility what Hindu community has given to Hindu Council is to represent and to make an umbrella for entire Hindu community.
And today we are really fortunate that our very own MP from Kasese, Honorable Dr. Mishra, is present here at Hindu Council of Kenya headquarters. This fight of COVID-19, it is worldwide and in Kenya also. But at Hindu Council of Kenya, we are just as brothers and sisters. We are supporting each other. And I appeal to each and every citizen of this country. This is the time we really need your help to help our brothers and sisters. This is a trying time. Nobody had thought about this. But we are fighting COVID-19 called coronavirus together, and we will overcome. And I would like to thank all our Hindu Council committees, all our directors. They are working tirelessly 24/7, and we are thanking all our donors, bringing the donations at Hindu Council headquarters. We say Asante Sana, but we need more and more. This is the time people don't have jobs. Many businesses has closed down. People are not going to work. They are at home, and we need food to take it to throughout Kenya. So it is our humble request to each and every citizen of this country, all the leaders, all the religious leaders, all the corporates, let us join together and let us feed our own Kenyan brothers and sisters. And I would like to say Asante Sana for everybody, whatever you are doing. We really appreciate your efforts. And right now, I would like to give the mic to our Honorable MP, Dr. Mishra.
My name is Prof. Araf Chelule Mishra. My full name is Swarup Ranjan Mishra, MPKSS, Masangisu County. Now, I'll tell you very few people here who is not Hindu, they don't know that in Hindu, a priest is born by the caste, by birth, not by work like Christianity. So I happen to be born by the grace of God in a priest caste of Hindu. So it is automatically you are a priest in Hindu religion. But I am a sinner. I am so big sinner. I never used to go to temple because I was busy. But I love God. I worship Him in my heart with good work. But when I have time, I go to temple. But God wanted me to join politics to make sure I go to His another house called Christianity Church, so that in the name of politics, I go to also church because I have to be there. So now, when I go to church, I used to go to church, I saw the Hindu and Christian, there no difference. I realize, I read Gita. Gita is the Bible of Hindu. Gita means, Bhagavad Gita, the song of the Supreme. That is the gods, the songs of God is Gita. The messages, the guidance, like Bible. There is no difference. I know in the Bible we know Noah, we know Abraham. Same thing also we have Arjun and Krishna in Gita. Gita was exactly 5,361 years ago. The Mahabharata, there is a war between two dynasties happened in the same brotherhood. And Lord Krishna, in the name of God, he was preaching one of the brothers who is godly, what is truth and what is lie, what is good, what is bad, what is light, what is darkness. In the name of preaching, the Noah was a good man, am I correct? Noah was given a boat by God. Who can tell what is the size of that boat? Who can tell the size of the boat was given by God to cross the flood, which came for 40 days. Am I correct? So, let me tell you, wisdom. Nobody was decided before his birth where he will be born or she will be born. Am I correct? It is God who sent you. Did you apply to God? I will be in Kenya, my tribe is Eluya, or Kikuyu. Did you decide? So when God decided, we have to love and trust and respect His decision for you and for others as well. So religion is a path, whichever it is, to reach to the objective God. So religion is man-made by the wish of God, but God is one. So you may ask me, why so many religions? One road, it will be traffic jam. So many bypasses. So let us respect everybody. But don't leave your religion where you born, because that was the wish of God. You can add, but don't subtract. Thank you very much. That is small thing about Hindu. People ask me in Eldoret, Rift Valley, in Nakuru, what is Hindu? So whatever small and that is a story of another day, we will talk. But now, I will tell you one thing, that today, this global crisis of the virus, which we can't see, very little is known about this virus called SARS-2. This is SARS-CoV-2, the virus name. Corona is a pet name, but the scientific name is SARS-CoV-2. The disease called COVID, coronavirus disease 19, because 31st of December, it was first affecting the human being from an animal source. However, we don't know it is a man-made or it is natural. But we have to be very careful. Nobody can kill the virus. Virus can be controlled by developing the immunity in our human body. Are you getting me? So that to develop the immunity, we have to have some time. So how we battle out, how we face this war against the virus? We have to be together in the name of God, without discrimination of religion, caste, tribe, race, clan, anything. So that is the reason I congratulate today Mr. Kamal Gupta, Madam Sujata, and all the team members of executives and members of Hindu Council. The gesture they have taken, it is awesome. This is awesome. This is incredible. Now, the communities of Asian community, different communities, also, they are together to help the less fortunate, more humble. But one thing I tell you, coronavirus has taught us, world is same. Nobody is big, nobody is small. Only big is God, we are all brothers and sisters. Am I correct? A relation can be blood or non-blood, but there is a relation. So, I am very grateful and we are together. Personally, I am also benefited by Hindu Council for my constituency people. You gave 200,000 shilling, and also many personalities from Asian community. They donated significantly to our 50 million shilling constituency benefit to this difficult time. I congratulate Honorable Malde, the MCA 001 of this country. Westland 001? Yes. Are you sure? Okay. Sawa. He's a Kikuyu. However, now the thing is that we are very happy. And one thing I'll tell you, please. As Madam Sujata said, more we give, more we get. God is never indebted to anybody. When you give one, God will give us, translating to 100 or more than that. That is my testimony of my life. So let us, we Kenyans, we may be having different dress, different attire, different chakula, but we are a one human being in the name of God, Son of God. Thank you very much. God bless Kenya. God bless our President, Uhuru Kenyatta Muigai, and God bless Hindu Council. Thank you.
Everything, Dr. Mishra, Kamalji, Sujataji, and our Jayendra Maldev. We have been fortunate to have a chairman like Kamal Gupta, who has been supporting us in each and every part of whatever we do, and he is supporting us fully. So we thank everybody, and as Dinesh Bhai said, blood is we need the blood in all the hospitals. So whoever can make it, please do donate your blood. Thanks a lot. God bless you.
Taught 11 years back by Ramesh Bhai Ojha from Gujarat. You know Ramesh Bhai? He said the people who gives blessed and the people who receive also blessed. What Ramesh Bhai told me that he is a saint, big saint of India. He said the man who receives, the man who asks for assistance, will make you bigger because he creates an opportunity for you to be blessed. So the man who blesses you should be blessed. Thank you. Thank you. Yamune Boisiek, Yamune Chabuyosok, Yamune Neranek, Yamune Lagok, Yamune Tuka means cows. You know, cows is also our. Hey. Ajamage, Ane Gureke Prob Arab Chelule, Abunu Cases, Nandi Getio, Kapamai Kapojek, Buroriet Kapchep Kendiet. Aha. Kongoi Nisi. Walei, in Kikuyu. Eh, Muliega. Mulega Numaya Mumbi, Mulega Aturi, Mulega Iretu, Mulego Atumia, Mulega Tuana, Ega Inumuega, Atere, Igoro Muno Jomo Kenyatta, Igoro Muno Uhuru Kenyatta, Igoro Muno Kenya, Ega Inumuega, Gainumuega, Edesiode, Gainumuega, and